And here's I'll show you how to easily show your mouse and keyboard on OBS. First of all, you have to open this website, and you get this link in this video description. Just open this website, and here under assist, click on NohBoard. Just download this zip file. Now go to your file explorer and just unzip the file, and then open the folder. And here you get this NohBoard.exe file. Just open it, and here you get this NohBoard. Right click inside this NohBoard and click on load keyboard, and click on this category drop down, and here you will find a bunch of different category. So the best option is select these JOAO7YT, and here keyboard style, you can select a style. In my case, I'm selecting here clean black, clean white, and clicking on close, and we can see my keyboard and mouse added. Now it's time to add these in our OBS. So you can just minimize this and go to your OBS, and under sources click on this plus icon, and here select window capture, click on OK, and click on this window drop down and select NohBoard, and here we can see the keyboard added. Now click on OK. Now you can just go ahead and change your keyboard and mouse location. You can also resize your keyboard and mouse location, and that's how you can actually add our keyboard and mouse in OBS.